If you use the new Journal app on your iPhone, but you want to show or hide the journaling suggestion notifications on your lock screen or notification center, then you came to the right place. I'll show you how you can enable or disable the journaling suggestions notifications. Just make sure you follow my steps carefully. The first thing that we have to do is to open the settings on our iPhone, and we will then scroll a little bit down until we can see this Privacy and Security section. That is what you want to open. And then we will scroll one more time and find the Journaling Suggestions button. When you get to this page, you want to find an option that's called Suggestion Notification Settings. That's going to open a new window where we can modify the notifications for the journaling suggestions. Under the Alerts section, you can select if you want to enable or disable the notifications for the lock screen, the home screen, and the banners. If you want to completely disable the journaling suggestions, you can uncheck all 3 alert styles in here. Or if you want to keep, for example, the Notification Center alerts, then you can leave that checked. I want the journaling suggestions notifications to be shown in my Notification Center, so I will leave it enabled, but I'll disable the other 2. Now, I won't be getting the journaling suggestions notifications on my lock screen, and as a banner, they will only appear in my Notification Center. If you need more similar journal or iPhone tutorial videos, make sure to subscribe to App Tutor, and I will see you soon.